Hello everyone, welcome to the Smart Life. Today I'm going to unbox the Mi Air 2 Pro True Wireless earphones. This is the Bluetooth True Wireless earbuds from Xiaomi, and I'm going to compare it with the Xiaomi Mi Air 2 SE earphones that I have been using for the past 6 months. So I have been using this and I'm quite satisfied with this budget earphones. But now I got this Air 2 Pro, and this has the active noise cancellation feature, which will be good when we use it in noisy environments. So coming to the specifications of this device, it weighs 60 grams and the speaker impedance of the earbuds is 32 ohms, and it has a Type-C charging port as well as Qi charging support, that is the wireless charging support. The earbuds will work for 7 hours with the active noise cancellation turned off, and with the case it should work for 28 hours, so that is great. And it has Bluetooth 5.0 and the input is 5 volts 1 amps. So those are the technical specifications, and this product is manufactured in November 2020, that is last month. Now let's unbox it and see what is there inside. Okay, the top cover comes out, and this is the earphone itself. It's very nicely packed, as you can see. And let's check what else is there inside. It has some extra earbuds, the silicone extra earbuds, and additional set of extra earbuds again. It has a Type-C charging cable and the user's manual, and that's it. So those are the contents of the box. So if we check the user's manual, it will be in Chinese because this product came from China right now. The international release has not been announced yet, but you can still get it from the Chinese sellers. Now let's unpack these earbuds. So we can see there is a button here and the USB-C charging port is here. There are some technical specifications here. This is the wireless charging symbol and it supports a Qi charging protocol. And if you open it, we can remove the earbuds like this, and it has a magnetic base here so that it will stick inside the case. And it has a ceramic panel here, and this panel is also touch sensitive. That means we can use it to control the earbuds. And let's compare it with the Air 2 SE earbuds, as we can see here. So this is quite larger than the Air 2 Pro, as you can see. Let's compare the other sets as well. The old ones are quite bigger than the new ones, and I have been using this for past 6 months, and I wanted to upgrade to this new active noise cancellation feature of the Air 2 Pro. So I'll check how is the sound quality and the noise cancellation feature of the earbuds. Now let's try to charge these earbuds and see what happens. So I'll use a USB-C charging port. So when it is charging, the indicator light turns on here. And let's also try the wireless charging support. This is a wireless charger from Kicker, and we can wirelessly charge it as it is currently charging here, and the blue light has turned on here. The convenient thing will be if I use it to charge using the base here, and I can charge my phone if I keep it here. So I can charge both devices, the earphones as well as my phone, using this kind of a charging stand. And one more thing I want to try is reverse charging from my phone. So my phone supports the reverse charging, that is the wireless power share. So I'll turn it on, and then I will keep my earbuds here, and we can see that the charging light has turned on. So that is quite good. So if the earbuds power runs out, then we can charge it from my phone. So the wireless charging works well. Now let's try to pair it with my phone and see. So the button here is for checking the battery level. So if you single press it, then it shows a LED indication here showing the battery level, and you can also use it to pair to your mobile device, or you can simply open it to pair to the mobile device. So I have opened it and the LED here is flashing. Now I can go to my Bluetooth, and it has searched and found the Mi Air 2 Pro. You can connect to this device, and it is asking to pair with the device. I can click OK, and now it has connected. As you can see here, connected for calls and audio, 90% battery remaining. So it has 90% battery, so that is good. We can see the battery level here. So that is how we pair, and when we close it, it will disconnect automatically. Now the Bluetooth has been disconnected. As you can see, it is not connected yet, and once we open it, then it should be able to connect to your earphone automatic, as you can see here. So that is how it connects and disconnects from the phone or your device automatically. And if you want to reset the connection, then you can long press the function button here, then it will be available for pairing, and then it connects to your phone again. So that's how you can connect to another device by pressing this function button. Now let's try to play some audio and see. So if I remove one of the earplugs, then it will pause by itself, and if you put it back into your ear, then it should be able to play it automatically. And if you tap the touch here, the ceramic touch of the right hand side earbud twice, then it should pause like this. And if you tap it again twice, then it should start playing. And if you tap the left hand side of the earbud twice, then it will wake your voice AI assistant. In my case, this is Bixby, my Samsung AI assistant. And if you have a Google or Xiaomi AI assistant, then it will wake that up. And I will tell you how to channel through noise cancellation and the transparent mode and the no noise cancellation modes. So the noise cancellation feature can be turned on and off using the ceramic buttons. So if you long press either sides of the earbud over 5 seconds, you can channel through the noise cancellation mode, the transparent mode, and the noise cancellation off mode. Then it will channel through and it will say something in Chinese because this earphone is a Chinese version. And when you are using this earbuds for a call, then when you double tap, then you can pick up the call or end the call. And you can also use a single earphone. In that case, you just put one of the earphones in the charging case like this, and you can use the other one. So we can use the single earphone. The one earphone is already here, but I'm still using the other earphone. This is useful for calls, and those are the features of the earphone. And I'll show you how it looks compared to the old earphones, that is the Air 2 SE earphone that I have. This Air 2 SE earphone is released internationally, but this Mi Air 2 Pro has not been released internationally, but it will be released soon, I guess. And it has a much better or premium feel to the earphones as well as the case, and with the wireless charging support, it is quite useful. And talking about the latency of the earphones, I think the latency is quite small when I was playing the YouTube video, and I feel the latency of this earphone is larger compared to the new Air 2 Pro. The latency is not bad, but I think this one has a smaller latency. I think the Air 2 Pro with the smaller size, it's much better to wear, and I'll test the active noise cancellation and tell you what I feel about the feature. Now I have tested the active noise cancellation of these earphones by walking on the street, and I was listening to music and how I felt it. I think the active noise cancellation feature works well. When I compare it with my older Air 2 SE earphone as well as my wired AKG earphones that I have, regarding the sound quality of the playback, I think the active noise cancellation helps a lot with these earphones, and I like the sound quality much better compared to the other two. So this is quite handy, and I think I will like it. And regarding the silicone earbuds here, if the original one that is attached here is small for you, then you can attach one of the bigger ones from the ones that they have provided here. Make sure you put the correct earplug size for you from the provided ones, otherwise the active noise cancellation is not very helpful. Those are the things that you want to remember. So that was the review of the Air 2 Pro earphones and a comparison to the basic earphone that I had before. Obviously, I like this one much better than the previous one. The touch of the earphones works quite good compared to the ones that is present here, and the size of these earphones are much bigger compared to the new ones. And if you want to buy these latest earbuds from Xiaomi, then you can buy it from the affiliate link that I have given in my video description. It will help my channel. And if you like the review, please subscribe to my channel and please share this video. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.